Welcome to O'Donovan Engineering, a family-owned, professionally run company nested in the heart of Coachford, County Cork. We specialise in the design and manufacture of quality, innovative livestock housing and handling equipment. Our motto is, quality and innovation gives us the edge, and this is the standard we hold ourselves to. As an integral part of the agri-landscape in rural Ireland, community lies at the core of our business. We are proud supporters of the family farm and the wider agri community. We have over 45 years experience in the agri sector, and we are confident we have the solution to make your farm work for you. We are proud in the fact we manufacture our products in Ireland, and to ensure we can match customers' needs, we also source the best products globally, be it Prattley Sheep Handling, True Test Weighing and EID, Huber Cow Mat, or IE Handling, to name a few. Our mission is to bring our customers a well-made product, designed for the environment it is to be used in, with the best lifetime value possible. Our products and solutions stand the test of time.